What is going on, YouTube family, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today is a really sad day because I've just packed up my bags and I'm getting ready now to head to the airport to fly back to Belgium, flying through Cote d'Ivoire, which I'm really excited about so I can showcase the airport when we fly into it and just some of the landscape. But you can see normally I always fly in suits. Today I'm completely sporty because I'm flying premium economy on Brussels Airline because we were going to try and get business class, but the tickets were ridiculous. It was almost $2,500 for one way, and I just thought it's just way too much to pay in this current age and time. So instead took the economy class, and I'm really looking forward actually to try different airlines, to try different things. Always Emirates is the best, but today we're going to try something different. So I'm going to take you all with, showcase some of the airport, showcase us leaving, see the airport from an aerial view, which is just absolutely spectacular. I've had such a great holiday here and it's really, really sad to leave, but I'm going to document everything on the way back. Got all the things in the boot. We are at Kataka International Airport, the beautiful West African airport. So right now I'm not going to be needing this jacket right now because it's still around 40 degrees. So I'm going to throw this into the bag so when at least land at Belgium I have something warmish on me. But you can see not a cloud in the sky. Correction, there's one, but super beautiful evening, hardly any traffic. Let's throw us in and head into the airport. Just went through everything now, got my ticket, gonna make my way down to try and find a restaurant, maybe grab something to drink. Seeing as how I'm not flying first class, I do not get access to the lounge, but as I said, premium economy, not too bad. Usually I would be on this plane right here, the Emirates airline plane, but unfortunately I cannot fly on that tonight. I'm going to be flying on Brussels Air, which is a little bit down there. So let's grab a coffee, sit down there, and in about 40 minutes I'll fly out. This is the coffee shop and restaurant that I've chosen to sit at. I just got myself a Sprite. Maybe I'll grab some food, but you can see the little kiosk down there. Really, really well done up. Quite a little bit less busy as I thought it was going to be. You can see like all the traditional Kente clothing and everything in there. And so I'm just going to sit here, drink my cool drink, wait another 30 or so minutes, and then hop on a plane. I must say though, a really big well done to all the Ghanaian airport staff that have been manning the front door, because there were just hundreds and hundreds of people, because obviously this was a very busy period for everyone, and lots of flights take off during this period. And I literally walked in there and I thought it's going to be an absolute nightmare. There's so many people, and within 5 minutes they'd done all the checks. We'd gone through, checked temperature, checked COVID test, checked passports, everything like that. Went into the line, also thought the line was going to take really long, got through there. And then when we went through border control, obviously because I said I'm not on a first class, business class, none of these type of tickets, I was able to just go all the way through with the normal passengers and no special treatment like we usually get here. And I was really surprised with how everything nicely went through. Super friendly, super helpful, got all the stamps. I even forgot to put up my nationality as South African on the one form, and the guy's like, you're not going anywhere until you fill this in. Here's a pen, quickly fill it in, fold it in. Now I'm here, got my bag with me, camera equipment, everything like that in there. And now I'm just really sad to be leaving, but got a jacket because it's going to be snowing by the time I get back. Just past the restaurant I was in, there's also like a massage parlor, and then another restaurant this side where you can see through the door. They actually have them playing pool in the inside, which is really cool, and a really nice bar area. You can see with the TVs going, the Ghanaian music. Another restaurant down there, the vibes are really high here. You can see TV, and there some more snacks and everything over here. And then I'm boarding right at the very bottom. I'll just found myself a spot in the corner. You can't really see outside because it's pitch black out, so it's just reflecting. But got my ticket, got residency cards and everything. My bag got accepted, which I was a little bit worried about because I thought it'd be quite heavy. And then I'll wait to get on the Brussels flight. It'll probably be in like another 10 minutes. You can see it's actually not too busy with everyone around, so hopefully it's not such a packed flight. But it feels so nice to be able to finally fly in just joggers, a normal t-shirt, and just some sneakers. So now we're just going to sit here and wait another 10 or so minutes. It's super quick and easy. They boarded by row, so now I'm just going to make my way down, get onto the airplane and show you guys and girls where I'm seated. This is my seat, number 11K, so at least I got a window seat. Really not bad. Decent TV, decent little side area. At least I only have two, so maximum I'll have is one person next to me. Not Emirates first class, but you know, it'll do for today's flight. And the rest of the cabin's pretty spacious. All in all, not too bad. Quick little look, I've got a pretty decent amount of leg room. Also the seats recline 45 degrees, and then have this entertainment area over here. And the cabin is just doing an introduction. So as you said, they said we're going to go through Abidjan first. Now that the broadcast is over, I can show you have your home screen, your movie selection, TV selection, music, kids corner play. You can also shop on here about the airline, or made in Brussels or Belgium, and then feedback. So if we go on movie selection, they have all African music, classic, recent releases. I always go to the recent releases, and you can see there's a whole heap of them, a really reactive touchscreen. So I'm pretty happy about that. Some classics, some African cinema over here, and then also recent movies. Under here for the music, you can go on the music section. They also have pretty much hundreds and hundreds of different options from all different types of categories. So just going to sit back, get nice and relaxed, and then when I get the food and everything like that, I will show everything to you. But all in all, pretty comfortable in my track pants and my Lewis Hamilton hoodie, and ready to sleep. it's super dark because it's another African country I can technically say I've gone to. It's a quick little bathroom tour. Actually, really not bad. Pretty decent amount of space. Got some nice lighting on there. And so far it's been a really nice flight. They're probably going to say they're going to start the descent, so everyone go to their seats. So now I've showed everyone it. So far flight's been pretty good. And I'm pretty much looking forward now to see what food they give me and the beverages.
Temperature is still to 30 degrees. Please remain seated, keep your seatbelt fastened, low tight, signe attaché, grosse ceinture. Restez à bord sur cet arrêt. Aussi, nouvel équipage prendra la relève. Nous espérons que vous avez fait bon voyage aujourd'hui en notre compagnie. Nous vous souhaitons bonne continuation avec nos
We just touched down in Abidjan. You could see the airport when we landed. So far it's actually really beautiful. Senegal Air just left. So passengers are going to leave now. A whole new crew is going to come on and more passengers from Cote d'Ivoire flying to Brussels. But super impressed so far. The airport looks absolutely beautiful. You can see all the ramps that are fully automated coming to all the airplanes. There's another one pushing back right now. So I'm probably just going to end up carrying on watching my movie through my headphones and sip some more water. And hopefully pretty soon we'll get dinner served. just ended up landing right now. Just went through passport control, really quick and easy. Obviously the flight got really busy from Abidjan, so I didn't film much, but right now I'm gonna quickly go to the bathroom, go wait, try and find which conveyor belt the bags are gonna come, get the bags, and then head back to the apartment and explain everything to you all about why I had to leave so suddenly. Got the bag with me. It's pretty distinctive because I have a broken lock, so that's how I know it is my bag. It's pretty freezing cold right now. It's 2 degrees and you can see pretty much no one at all at the metro, at the underground. I've got a 10-minute stop, 10-minute wait until my train comes, and then I can just take it literally straight up on my apartment. Try to get a COVID test, but was unable to do it without a code, so I'm just going to wait, get the code, and then do it a little bit later on in the day. Before I get back and wrap up this video, you can probably hear the rattling of my bag. I just want to quickly show you, because I am going to cross the street right now into my apartment. It is currently 8 o'clock in the morning and it is like this. So this is one of the things why winter in Europe is so brutal, because in Ghana the sun's coming up at 20 to 6 every morning, and then you get back to Belgium 8 o'clock in the morning and pitch black. But I'm just outside my apartment, gonna hope some of my packages that I ordered are still there. No one's taken them because it's been a couple of weeks, and then I'm gonna sit down and explain the whole situation to everyone. Surprising enough, actually, my plants survived this whole time I've been away. I don't really know how, but I just threw some more water in them now. Now it's around 9 o'clock and the sun is finally starting to show, even though it's a very grey, miserable looking day outside. At least the sun is slowly starting to come out. And then I thought this would be the time where I could quickly sit down and explain, because it almost feels like I had to flee Ghana, because with the Omicron virus going absolutely crazy in Europe, and specifically in the labs and hospitals that I work in, I had to be very, very careful that if any border news came in or quarantine came in, that it was not going to affect me, because I cannot afford to miss even more time away from work. So I had to decide literally 3 days before I left. We just booked a ticket. And that's why I flew Brussels. I didn't fly Emirates. I just flew Brussels, got on the first plane I could get on, got myself here just to make sure that I was still able to conduct my work, still able to fill out all my commitments that I said I was going to be able to do. So that is the reason why I had to flee Ghana. But I just want to say I am massively impressed by the airport staff, by how everything was run in Ghana and how they are handling the situation there. That was very, very thorough. All the checks, it ran very smoothly. The lines looked very long, but they were just pumping through passengers, and all the detection methods, all the temperature controls, the Panabio systems, everything like that were really, really amazing. So with that being said, I am now back. I'm still in a short sleeve, even though it's close to 0 outside. My body's just telling me, you're still in Ghana, but I'm physically not, so I'm more than likely going to have to go and throw a jacket on. But I want to thank you all so much for watching. I want to thank you all for the crazy support. It means so much to me, and unwavering support. It really, really means a lot. And if you are still watching this video and not a part of the family, just click the subscribe button, and let's just keep on growing together, getting better together, and improving little by little each and every single day, while spreading Ghana, while spreading Africa to the world. And I'll see you all in the next video.